back today with an unboxing. Big shout out to Yozma. They sent me the IN10Pro. Let's get her unboxed. So let's get her done. Okay, y'all, so she's completely put together. As you see, she's super clean, pretty and black. This is one of the more sturdy, more stable dirt bikes. Definitely more advanced for my people who aren't so beginner, know how to ride already. Get you a Yozma. So I don't let it get dark, so I'm not going to do too much riding tonight. I am going to put a clip of me riding in the daytime in the video though, so stay tuned for okay, guys, we're outside with the Yozma. It's been raining all day. It's gloomy outside. Y'all can see a little bit wet on the roads, not too wet. They've sort of dried up, but I want to go to Taco Bell. It's a 10-minute ride. It's like 5.3 miles, it says. So we're going to hop on the bikes and we're going to go get us some food. So this is an IN10Pro. Just unboxed her the other day. She still got a little plastic and stuff on the seat. I wasn't able to do any real riding when I unboxed her just because I had no sunlight. It was dark. But we're going to put some miles on her today. Like I said, we got a 5.5 mile ride. So we're going to put her to work. We're going to see how she do on the streets. But basically, with the e-bikes, you sort of know what you're getting, sort of have an idea. You have a 48, a 52, and a 60 volt battery. This one is the 60 volt battery. And as far as it comparing it to an actual dirt bike, this one is most comparable to a dirt bike. You have crazy power. It goes about 50 mph top speed, so you're gonna get up to highway speeds pretty much. Controlling everything nice, good suspension. It's very sturdy, as you see. Like, it's not no pit bike. It's pretty much a full-size bike. It's not as big as a 250 or 450, but pretty good size. For someone my height who's around 5'3", 5'4", you know, I can stand comfortably. It's not too heavy for me to get back and forth, maneuver. But yeah, of course you have the screen, you have your lights. It does come with reverse, which, you know, that's crazy to me. I've never seen a bike that comes with reverse. So that feature, that's nice. You know, if you get stuck in a tight space, instead of trying to walk it back and forth, you go ahead and put it in reverse, back up, you good. So I got her on the charger right now. I just want to make sure she's fully charged because it is around 11 miles round trip. You know, I don't want to be stuck nowhere. So we're making sure that she's fully charged. We're going to unplug her and we're going to get on the road. You do have a nice screen. You see the lights on. Of course, you got your basic settings that come on the e-bikes. The PAS, 1, 2, 3. Then you got your MPH. Y'all want to see a raw speed test? Let's see. There's space to pick her up. Y'all see she got up to 51 mph. With me being on the bike, it'll probably be around 50, 49, 50, just with the weight on it. But I would say this is not a beginner bike. If you do not know how to ride, I would not go and hop on an IN10Pro. They do have beginner friendly bikes. I would get one of them. But for my riders, my people who are comfortable on a bike, go ahead and get you the Pro, because that's gonna be most likely, or not most likely, but most comparable to your dirt bike. And look at testing out this reverse feature, because like I said, I've never seen that before on a bike. We hold it and look at, oh, she back herself up for you. So for my people who ride, you know, sometimes you be in a tight space, you be walking the bike back and forth like this. Ain't none of that going on. You press that reverse button, you hit your gas, you backing up. Let's go. But y'all, that's my girl over there at Dollar General. She be supporting. Bags. But yeah, right then I was cruising at like 40. The speed limit on this road is 55. So if I wanted to, I could keep up with traffic realistically. I just like to stay out of traffic's way to be respectful. Okay, y'all. We just got sort of into like city limits. I'm gonna cut through the back roads just because it's faster than going around on the main roads. So yeah. But once I get off the back road, I still do have like a little stretch before I get to where I'm going. But so far I have full battery. Like I said, I can keep up the speed. And yeah. I'm gonna slow down so y'all can hear me, because I'm literally shouting. But I just went full speed and it was 50. That's with me on it, me and my weight. So yeah, you do get 50. Like I said, I haven't unlocked this bike or done any of the extra stuff that I've done to the other bikes. This is just like raw speed. So this is the stock speed that you'll get when you unbox it, straight out the box. Yeah, no tune, no, like I didn't do nothing crazy. I literally just turned it on and went. And you get 50 miles per hour. Y'all see the Taco Bell sign? We made it, y'all. We made it. Yeah. Y'all probably couldn't see it, but we right here. Taco Bell. Y'all, I wanted me a grilled cheese burrito with steak so bad. And you gotta get a nacho fries put in the burrito. That's the only way. But I don't know. So many people have been stressing me out about the whole lettuce thing, the E. coli, whatever's going on. People getting sick. But I'm like, baby, my order doesn't even have lettuce in it. So I feel like I'm good. I'm exempt. Okay, y'all. We in the drive-thru. I just remembered I have to ride home with the food, though. So that's that. Hey, can I get a steak grilled cheese burrito with nacho fries in it? Did y'all know that they got chicken strips? I did not know that. But hold on, I gotta use my Apple Pay. Okay, y'all. Got the food. We out. Got a little ride home. Yeah. And my phone is on 3. I just noticed that when I went to pay, like, my phone is about to die. So if it dies, just, you know, y'all were here for the ride. But I do have a promo code. If you want an IN10. Oh, I gotta go to the intersection. I do have a promo code for y'all. I'm gonna put the link and everything in the description. So make sure y'all check it out. Oh, he backing up. But yeah. This IN10 is like that. I was zooming. But I was supposed to ride some trails today. You can see the weather. We literally got to the trails and it was pouring down rain. like pouring down rain. It wasn't no rain where we was at, and the forecast was pretty clear. As soon as we got to the trails, baby, whole different story. So I did want to get some riding in. That's why I decided to take my bike to Taco Bell. Look at my edges. Ooh. I decided to take the bike to Taco Bell just because I wanted to rise. But yeah, I'm definitely going to be back with a trail riding video for y'all because I love my trails. Street riding is cool, but I don't want my phone to die and it cut the video in half. So I'm going to go ahead, sign out. I'm going to talk to y'all later. Like I said, I do have a promo code and I'm going to put the link in the description. Make sure y'all go check out Yozma. I am on an IN10Pro. Go get you one.